sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward.
Alright guys, quick announcement. I wasn't gonna upload that video or that clip for the hats today, so I threw that in the beginning of the video. Hope you guys like that. Go check out the new hats. Website will be down below. So yeah guys, comment down below what you guys thought on that video. It was filmed by Jose. My boy's killing his shit, but let's get back to the video, guys. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. So remember how the Civic, the clutch was like stuck to the floor? Well, the S2000, it decided to take tips from the Civic, and then the pedal on the S2000 started getting spudgy, so I felt like it just needed a good fluid flush, which we just did right now, and pedal feels great. So we're gonna try the same thing on the Civic and see if that helps it, because I just checked the reservoir and it's completely dry, so maybe this needs a good flush too, a good bleed. So we're gonna do that right now, and if my clutch pedal doesn't fix, then yeah, so hopefully it just needs a good bleed. If not, then might be the master slave cylinder, but you can't really see. But yeah, what the fuck? David brought the Civic.
Did he?
David brought the Civic, bro. I bet you that's the Civic. You wanna bet?
Oh yeah, it is quieter now, huh?
I mean, that shit was kind of loud on, but bro, I think David brought the Civic.
It is. Yeah, it is.
Hey!
My boy brought it out.
Is this real life?
What?
What happened to the G?
Traded it.
Oh, straight trade?
Straight trade.
Dude.
No, actually, I put he put a little cash on top. So.
Oh, he put.
Yeah.
Oh, you put cash on top.
Oh yeah, I mean I put cash.
You put cash on. Yeah, come on, this shit's.
Check the paint. Check the paint.
Custom,
part, yeah.
Custom Milky Way Galaxy print or what?
You see that?
Bro, when's the last time you driven this?
I don't remember. I don't remember.
Yeah, bro. You washed it?
I just rinsed it. Ah, shit, don't look at my bum.
Hey, you're at the stoplight and you saw him pull up next to you.
Oh fuck no! What am I thinking?
Yeah, does it fit him?
Low key.
Low
key does.
Well, what's your first thoughts, bro? You see him pull up next to you. I'm bumping that. So if you guys are new to the channel, you guys probably didn't know David also has a Civic, because he rarely takes it out. It's honestly probably been like 3 or 4 months since the last time he's brought it out. So if you guys are new to the channel, then yeah, you guys wouldn't know that. But yeah, David also has a EJ if you want to be technical. But yeah, guys, you should motivate him to do some shit to it. Maybe a lip, especially a lip.
A fat one.
A fat lip.
How's it look, Leo, right now? Without a lip?
Yeah, how's it look without a lip? So one of you guys actually commented to wrap the Civic, and I know that's we've never wrapped shit. Leo, have you wrapped anything?
No.
I mean, I don't wrap. I never wrap it. If you get what I'm saying, I never wrap. But one of you guys actually commented to wrap the Civic, and I think I might be down for that. The only issue with that is that this paint the wrap is not gonna stick to it. So if I wrap it, I would have to sand all of this down and maybe primer it because it's not gonna stick to that at all. So, but I am actually kind of down to wrap it like black, because wrapping it black I feel like would be easier than painting it black ourselves, because black is a hard color to paint. There's so many shit that could go wrong. You're gonna see fucking zebra stripes all over it. But yeah, David brought the Civic. That's cool. That's cool. Well, what he doesn't want to what?
Paint his mouth up.
There's not enough, Leo.
Yeah,
Chill.
there is. Remember last time? You said there wasn't enough, and I did it.
Leo, there's for sure not enough in this.
Yes, there is. You always don't. You never have hope in me.
All right,
There
bro.
is enough.
Bro, paint the Jag.
Yeah, paint the Jag.
I bet you nothing's gonna
And
come
the
out.
Jackson.
And the Jackson.
And these.
I'm honest. Who the fuck painted this red?
What? All right, so Leo's trying to convince David to go do some shit to the Civic. But anyways, what? Leo, calm down.
What?
You're in a fucking. There's a fat ass dent on your. Never mind. Never mind. Anyways, so we got our little tube connected to the nozzle. So now we're gonna gravity bleed it. Gotta be careful with this shit. This is so much easier than the one in the S2000. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna go inside the car. Pump? Alright. 3 times?
Yeah, hold it.
Alright, I'm holding it. Pump, 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 hold.
Dumb air.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's just this then.
Alright. Pump it.
Alright. Push it stuck. Alright. Pump, 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 hold.
There's a shitload of air.
Well, that's good news.
Pump it.
Alright guys, so what's the odds of that? Both of my cars at the same time just needed a good bleed. Pedal is back to normal. Not sticking to the floor anymore. So that's good. That's a big relief actually. I was hoping it wasn't like my slave cylinder leaking or some shit. But yeah, that's good. We are good. You wanna bleed yours too, David? Might as well. Alright, my bad, bro.
You want to drink it?
You see this shit, guys? That's from the S2000 and the Civic, so if your pedal is starting to feel spongy, guys, and your gears are sticking, maybe grinding a little bit, maybe bleed it. Maybe. Because I fixed both of my cars. Like, bro. That was in my car, bro. I feel bad. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna test out the clutch. Hopefully my fuel pump turns on. We'll see if it primes right now. Let's see if you guys can hear that. Alright, fuel pump primed. We are good to go.
Get a look at my
Damn, bro. That fitment's A1.
You know what that reminded me of? What? When I first started driving stick, that's every time I go up a driveway, it was like that, bro.
Yeah, bro. When I first started learning, bro, I didn't know how to I didn't know how to ease it, bro. So when I was like, bro, no mom.
He's little.
Hey guys, broke boys, we do nothing but fab burnouts all day. Huh, David? Ain't that right? Watch. You see these?
Yeah.
That's the work of fucking mean ass burnouts all day.
Fat one.
Fat ones. All right, guys.
Let's go.
So right now, me and Leo. Are you guys catching that?
Wow.
Leo and I.
Wow.
Let's go.
Because this guy fucking decides to come through for
Well, I didn't know you guys were gonna leave.
for 15 minutes and then leave. You know what he's doing later? Guys, I have not told you this. Guys, you know who David disses us the most for? You guys will never get it. I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds.
It's not like that. And I was here more than 15 minutes. It was 17.
David's piping my cousin, guys. David's piping my cousin. He's legit going out with my cousin. Bro, he disses the homies for my cousin, bro. So guys, if David's not in the videos, just know. Just know he's piping my cousin.
Rearranging that shit.
That's a fun fact for you guys. If you guys have him on Snapchat and you see him with the girl, that's my cousin, guys. He has plans, bro. It's okay. Leave him alone. Anyways, Leo and I are gonna go to fucking City of Industry and pick up his 5-point harness for the hatchy hatch that you can't see right now.
Let's go pick up your bike.
Yeah. Alright, bro. You already know I gotta get you leaving because this is honestly, I'm gonna say this right now. It's probably the last time you're gonna see his Civic for 4 months.
Let's make it 5.
5 months. I'm calling that 5 months.
Nah, we gotta see him again because you're letting him borrow the tires for tractor.
What if I bring him over?
That is
Oh yeah,
true.
you still have his jack.
And you're paying me 200 to borrow.
Well,
You want to drive or want to take the truck?
bro, I'm not driving it like this.
I would drive it.
No, this is not going out like this. Look at that rain fucked me over good.
Story up just to keep you. I need you around, I need you.
Alright guys, so it's a few days later. Leo worked yesterday, but we're here now. And that's the harness. Took about 8 hours to get this shit. But it's worth it now.
Was it really 8 hours?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did take all fucking day.
8 hours. But you got your harness.
Nah, but we stopped by and eat.
You stopped by what?
We stopped by to eat.
Yeah, but still 8 hours. How long we ate for?
Like 2?
Yeah, we eating good. What's going on, Leo? What's the situation, man?
This bowl doesn't want to fit on the inside. I gotta like sand down in there a little bit.
Guys, this shit's about to look good as fuck. So, the harness is gonna connect you there. Go through these little holes right here, and then bam. So it is a 5-point by NRG, and it looks good as fuck. Black. I can't wait for this shit to be in there. Bro, what if you're at the light, bro? You know, you with
Just
your girl.
chilling
You
at the
chill.
red light.
You're with your girl, bro. Okay.
Yeah, windows down.
Windows down. You're in your car, bro, bumping fucking God's Plan by Drake. You're with your girl, and then you see Leo. You see Leo pull up and he has his harness on, bro. He's stealing your girl easy, right?
Easily. My girl walking out and going straight to the passenger seat.
Yeah,
No
bro.
doubt about that.
No
shit, bro.
debate. No debate, bro.
Nope.
Really, I don't know what's going on here, but I like it. I like it a lot. Bro, why is it so windy?
I don't.
Dude, the video probably sounds like.
Easily.
That's probably all they're hearing right now.
It's cold as shit.
Hey, David. Hey, bro.
You gotta put subtitles?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put subtitles, bro. You just hear nothing but. Oh shit, bro, it's the 5-point harness?
I need my crotch one.
Bro, just run it like that.
Like this?
Yeah, just pull it. Just pull up to track day, just like that.
Just like this?
I don't think they'll trip.
No? I'm ready.
All right, bro, for sure. All right, Leo. First time Leo throwing them on. Oh, my boy looking official already. My boy looking like he's running My boy looking like he's ready to run 9 seconds.
I gotta tighten the rear. I need to tighten the rear more.
Shit, wait. You sponsored by NRG, bro?
Nah, chill. Best bang for your buck.
Dave, you see this shit?
I've been looking at that.
Oh
my. That's Gucci.
Rest in peace to your nutsack, Leo.
Oh, bitch.
Your kid's gonna be coming out with dents on their forehead, bro. Hey, how's it fit?
Feels solid.
It looks solid. It looks like it fits you pretty good. Nice and snug. Hey, bro, you gonna close the door? Show me the trick, bro. Hey.
Here we go.
Fuck yeah.
Bugs me a little bit how it's crooked, but whatever. I'll do.
Fuck it. So, it's a 5-point harness and it's what? It's what certified?
SF5 certified?
So you can take that anywhere, at any track.
I think so. I
Oh,
hope
yeah.
so.
NRG is stepping up their shit, guys. Not a lot of harnesses are SFI certified. Some legit shit. I mean, I would understand maybe like a year even ago, that you guys would like hate on NRG, but lately even their steering wheels, they've been stepping it up. So, good shit. Good shit. Alright guys, so comment down below what you guys think on the 5-point harness. It looks really good. Just look at that. It looks really proper. Comment down below what you guys think. And yeah, right now we're waiting for Joseph and Marcel to pull up. And I'm not sure what's gonna go down after that, but yeah, right now we're just gonna wait for them to pull up, probably eat something, and then we'll see where this video goes.
I think Joseph's coming.
Alright guys, whole squad just pulled up, so I'm gonna end off the video right here. It's already dark and it's cold as fuck. We're gonna go get some grub and we're gonna end off the video. But I'm gonna end off the video showing you guys something you guys have been asking about a lot, and it's
Do that much. Fuck. I got tired.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. And again guys, if you guys like the hats, they will be down in the description box. Link to our website will be there. Go check them out guys. But yeah, next video for sure. I know I said this before, but next video for sure is gonna be on Marcel's wheels. We're just waiting for the tires to come in. But check him out guys, his wheels look sick. Yeah guys, so I would make a video on it, but it's already dark, and we're just gonna save that for another day. But Marcel got 2 of his wheels on. He's waiting for tires to come in for the 2 front ones. But I'm gonna end off the video showing you guys the wheels. It looks fucking crazy.
Yeah, bounce that shit like whoa. This is not a fairy tale. I already know how you like it. Take you to the mall.